Abuli gwena gose mubona batiye kubanganya abana kuri kiskuru aho bunenchire mu gihe kunyara kwa abantu busiboro bwororo haso kunyara kwikirania amasomo abo omurikito kuri Secondary Nyamira Bocharia ni gatara oyo mu bari mu bonene aseskuru yo aseskuremo imeye County Nyamira na gotolga ni roboti rukubwatia
gukona na Ndizi TV mwalimu yiga ni gakorera igekogera abana bange batari kwibwatanya muri kiskuru che sub county yiga ya bucarikereye mo yabo Intuge kwirira kiskure kigagotakorya buja buna akoherera.
Just Marita Kefaveri, principal of Bocharia Secondary School. The problem in most cases I'm seeing there is what we call school nomadism. When a student hear that a certain school has performed better than your school, the following year they all migrated there. Then we are surrounded by extra count schools like now Liave and Amavuko. And with the 100% transition, students prefer to go to a school which is senior than a sub-count school. And these extra count schools are endowed with resources which we may not have, and they have a wider curriculum which really pose a challenge to us in sub-count schools. And another thing is we know that in sub-count schools we tend to receive those students whom we call the remains. Normally you find students with 100 marks, or even up to 70 marks. So such cannot compete with a school which has second learners with a better entry behavior. Those tends to pose a challenge.
Anyana boniga bwatukira boseme cha sabana asabaganire kubeko mukya Elio na barabu konyara kwa bakonyera chiseme kira bakonya samatupo alebosyo.
Let them come to school regularly. Let them be serious with their work. Let them know that they can also learn and they can be invited to learn. They are like other students. The only difference is the rotation. And if there is any slight change in slight difference in the entry behavior, that cannot actually bar them from doing better like another.
Na sengana yo gwakarire bisago yo serikali erengete kuchinyara kaboge koleta omurobelyo muyeme yense ya Kenya manyekanite na e-citizen ekena kikarengere kyo mwalimu yiga igoro yengane yo.
I think that is a big plan on the side of the government, and it appears they really don't understand what happens in sub-count schools. In our schools here, the only money we handle is money for lunch. We don't even have any other revenue that we have ever done. Schools at sub-count level. So if we are going to send this money, the little which sometimes is paid in kind, where they bring maize, they bring firewood, they bring even a chicken for the teachers, and then we give them receipts, then it is going to be a challenge for most parents to meet the fees requirement. In fact, even the 3,000 we charge in every town for lunch, they pay in bits of 500, 1,000, and they hardly finish the amount throughout the year. So it is going to be a big challenge. And even suppliers may not be willing, because sometimes we try to correct before we do an order of anything that will be supplied on that given program. So when they are not certain when the money will come, I doubt they will be able to give us the services, even when we understand very well that the government procuracy is really it causes delay in the meeting whatever supposed to be doing at school. That would really give us management problems.
Ginko report regetaseni kyo bwanchite kya Ndizi TV kurugiga County ya Nyamira inche gongoro kwa Polycarp Okara.